Hey there Joomla fans, Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool new feature on mySites.Guru. You can now add team members to your account. That will allow you to give access to certain sites to others to help you manage all those Joomla sites. We're already logged into mySites.Guru with a main account login, and in the top right, we're going to click on Account. In the next screen, click on Your Team. Now, read about your team here the first time so you understand what you're enabling. And having read that, click I understand. You'll see that I already have 2 team members here. Let's add a third by clicking on Add Team Member. Next, enter in their name, give them a username, and also put in their email address. After that, you want to go down and assign to them the sites that they're allowed to have access. Let's give them these 3 sites here. Scroll back up to the top of the page and click Save. You'll see that a username notification email will be sent to them and also an email with a link to set a password for that team member. In the username email, it's important for them to note that they log in with their username and not their email address. And in the email they're sent to set a password, they'll have a link to click. You can click the link and then enter a new password. Once they set their password, they can use their username and password to log in, and they'll only see the sites that you've assigned them to manage on mySites.Guru. So there you go, the new Teams feature on mySites.Guru. Actually, a lot of people are using this in some interesting ways that they've thought to use it. How are you using it or plan to use it? Leave a comment in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Ring the bell to get notifications of new tutorials and live streams happening here on the channel. And don't forget to head on over to basicjoomla.com/giveaways. Sign up for the newsletter and you'll be automatically entered into each month's giveaway of some great Joomla prizes. Until next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.